Hello, welcome, thanks for joining me. Day 5 of the Trailer Queen bike build. Today I was going to have to bite the bullet and clean the hub and the spokes and the rim of the back wheel. This is in preparation for a new road going tyre instead of the trail tyre that's currently fitted. I used my newly modified pit bike stand, which takes the back wheel off the floor. Removed the spindle from the back wheel, and that turned out to be a bit more difficult than I'd anticipated. So I need to buff the spindle up to make for ease of wheel changes. Once I got the back wheel out, I gathered together all the tools, brushes, cleaning materials I thought I would need. I had a few tools in mind, and you'll see as we go along that some of them worked well, but the majority of the cleaning was just using hands and wire brushes, wire wool. So the tools didn't save me any effort. I guess it's a good workout for my hand, which I'm still convalescing after I fell and face planted. I must have reached out to try and stop myself with my hand. But I can't sit here waiting for it forever to set. So using it, it's just obvious. It's an obvious choice. While I was cleaning the wheel, a bonus part came through the post, a rear tank strap. Doesn't sound much, does it? It cheered me up no end, because this is as close to a part from a true racing Yamaha that I'm likely to see during this build. So these precious parts will be cherished, little treats used on the bike. Yep. Is it a works Yamaha? Well, the rear tank strap could well be. It doesn't take much to keep me happy, does it? Thanks for joining me. I put a full morning in. I was up at after clock, out in the garage quite early. Put a full morning in using wire wool and wire brushes and learning how to get back to basics and clean a rear wheel. Thanks for watching. Join me again soon.